Hi there, Biney here. Check out the following data. It looks like is some data on some products. A careful study shows the data contains product ID, product name, color, size, and available stock numbers. It could look a lot better if cleaned and transformed into a well-structured manner, right? Let's get to work then. Let's try to make everything one dynamic formula that cleans and transforms the entire dataset at a go, ensuring new data is automatically taken care of when added. We'll do this by starting the LEC function, just so we can have well-defined steps for each part of the whole process, and make understanding and debugging or modifying the formula later a bit easier where necessary. Let's first define the dynamic data range. Since Excel sometimes have issues working on batched arrays, i.e. arrays within arrays, let's attempt to resolve this by leveraging the use of the Textjoin function to put the entire range of data together as one. Please note that the Textjoin function also has a limitation regarding the maximum character output, which is approximately about 32,700 or so. Now let's use the Regexextract function to get the product ID numbers. In case you're wondering what the regex is doing, it essentially tries to locate the ID numbers starting from the left of the string. Once a valid number is detected, it then looks ahead of the number to find a single space character to confirm that it is indeed the number we are after. Let's use the Regexextract function to get the product names. The regex used to extract the product names first does what is called a look behind, to locate or check for a closed squared bracket, followed by a space character. Once these are located, it attempts to get all the characters that appears from the left before the next immediate open squared bracket to the right of the text we are after. We'll now extract the color, size, and stock values. The regex used at step E attempts to locate the open square bracket from the left. Once located, it extracts all characters after that in a technically lazy manner until it reaches the next closed squared bracket to the immediate right. The regex for step F essentially does a look behind to the left of the text we are interested in to locate a colon character followed by a space character. Once found, it extracts all characters until it reaches the next closed squared bracket to the right. Let's ensure the color, size, and stock values are presented in 3 columns with each data point in its own field. We'll do this using the wrap_rows function. Our next approach will be to stack the separately extracted data back together to have one table. Our data cleanup and transformation process is almost done, but since we cannot say we have a proper table without appropriate field headers, let's attend to that by creating the array of field headers. Finally, we'll use the vstack function to put everything together as a table with field headers. And we are done. What would you have done differently? Don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks for taking time to watch this video. Please do not forget the like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.